Hey guys, it's Trey Mathis here from WiFiEntrepreneur.com. I just want to welcome everybody to my new Wi-Fi Entrepreneur channel here on YouTube. I want to welcome everyone to our Facebook page, and more importantly, I want to welcome everyone to 2018. I am super excited about 2018 and all that it has in store for each and every one of us. Man, I want you to know that we have some absolutely fantastic information that we're going to be uploading here on the Wi-Fi Entrepreneur channel. You want to make sure that you stay subscribed. So go ahead and subscribe by clicking on the link below. If you're on Facebook, make sure you're liking our pages and sharing it with your friends and family whenever possible. Man, we have some absolutely fantastic information, not only for the entrepreneur in you, but really just to help spark some new ideas, some new things inside of yourself, inside of your life here in 2018. For you guys who may have just stumbled across this page, you may not know who I am. Again, my name is Trey Mathis. I'm an online entrepreneur, but more importantly, I'm a certified online entrepreneur, which means I'm certified in order to help you succeed with creating and launching a successful online business. I'm also a certified results coach, which means that your success is what I strive to do, what I hunger for. I really want to help each and every one of you guys to see with whatever the results is that you desire here in 2018. So this channel is going to be full with personal development. It's going to be filled with tips and tricks on how you can see it online. It's going to be filled with some ideas on how you can invest and diversify your income, not only online, but how you can take that same passion offline and succeed as well. Absolutely fantastic information. I want to let you guys know I absolutely guarantee that. And how I can guarantee that is I'm going to start things off by putting in your hands an absolutely fantastic book that I had the opportunity to read in 2017. And I truly believe the book title says it all. And that book is called The Millionaire Booklet, How to Get Super Rich by Grant Cardone. Absolutely fantastic book. Absolutely fantastic book. 44 pages of pure information that's going to give you tips and tricks on how you can become a millionaire in 2018. This is a fantastic, easy to understand, easy read that's going to help guide you with the game plan, with things that you can think about if you never thought about having a business before, how you can not only come up with a business idea, but how that business idea can make you a millionaire in a matter of the next few months, in the matter of the next 12 months, 24 months, 36 months, however long you decide it needs to take for you to become a millionaire. So what I want to make sure that you do is get your hands on this book right away. I have an app, a download that I placed in the description of this video that you can simply click on, go over and download that book absolutely free of charge. You can start to get your mindset ready on how you are going to become super rich in 2018. Also, I had the privilege of getting my online entrepreneur certification in 2017. I got the chance to work alongside of a few thousand sharp individuals in this online entrepreneur community. And it's another gift that I want to give to you guys as well. Yes, I want to give you the gift of being certified as an online entrepreneur. With that being said, if you are open-minded, are you excited about being an entrepreneur? Again, open-minded meaning that you may found this page, may have not even thought about being an entrepreneur before, but maybe you're an entrepreneur and you've had some failures in the past. I know being an entrepreneur, having failures come with very steep and pricey learning curves, a lot of frustration. You can oftentimes feel like the business idea that you have may not have been a good one, but it actually was, but you had some challenges along the way. Well, what I found very rewarding was putting myself around a community of other people who had these same kind of ideas, these same kind of challenges, and were able to communicate not only those challenges, but the way that we can work through those challenges, the results, the game plan, the strategies, the techniques in order to get out of those pitfalls. And I think that's going to be the most rewarding thing for you guys in 2018. Having someone there to say, hey, I wouldn't spend my money on that when you can go do it over here, spend another week or so doing it this way and generate that same amount of traffic for free. These are some of the concepts that we talk about. We also talk about free Instagram traffic, free Google traffic, free Facebook traffic, and more. So much more are going to be are discussed in our online community and will be discussed here on this channel as well. So with that being said, we have a not a download, but a link in the description box below that's going to allow you free access to join this online community of other online entrepreneurs. It's going to give you free access to our online certification program, and I'm going to just encourage you guys to go ahead and get started today. Absolutely free. Get started today, not only with reading The Millionaire Mindset on how to become super rich, but also on working on your online entrepreneur certification. And until we talk again, just really utilizing some of the tools that we provided here in this very first video, but looking forward to our next video in which we'll go over even more and greater information to help you succeed in 2018. So with that being said, again, my name is Trey Mathis from WiFiEntrepreneur.com. I'm looking forward to being your accountability coach, if you would allow, in 2018, helping you become accountable for your goals in 2018, but also asking that you make me accountable as well by continuing to plug into the system, letting me know the information that you seek and desire, and getting it so that I can get that information in front of you guys right away. So with that being said, happy New Year. I wish you a prosperous New Year. I hope that you become super rich in 2018, and I hope you're looking forward to the next video. I look forward to talking with you guys again real soon. Peace.